Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we discuss what is onlineGDB. It is a website where we edit code, compile and debug our high-level language. It is the first online IDE. Okay, IDE means Integrated Development Environment. We compile here or edit code debug like we generally use our development tools like HTML language, CSS language, C, C++, Java. All this language we can edit in our online JDB platform. It is a website. Online JDB is a website where we can compile, edit our code. It is very easy to access and user friendly from other code editor. We will see in our practical. So but it is not safe while you access your code. Now I open that online JDP in my left hand side, and right hand side I have Visual Studio. So first again I search for online JDB. It is a website already told. So go to the first link, and this is the interface where you use your code. And in my right hand side I have open in Visual Studio Code where we write both same program in online JDB as well as our Visual Studio Code, and see difference what is the difference between uh, in online JDB as well as in our VS Code. So first I write a program to calculate addition of two numbers. Now we write the same program in our online JDB as well as our VS Code. So first run here. Now here we can easily access our code, that 121 plus 123. It shows the result, but here start running, this still going. There's so much problem when you write code. After edit your code, you have to save first, then give the location first, and then you press for run. After pressing run, it so many disturbance, so many errors while you running your code, and it takes so much time to compile, execute your code. That's why that online JDB is very easy for beginners who want to learn. You start your coding, you can start from here, because while you execute your program, it simply show us the errors as well as our like where we do any mistake, where we edit our code, or where to edit our particular, like if you miss any some of your code or symbols here, anywhere it shows us the location where we miss our like symbol. If error, then it shows that particular line the error, but here it takes so much time. So that's why for beginners it is very easy and very useful and very user friendly for beginners. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.